How to complain about a health or social care service. Although most people have no problems when using healthcare or social care services, sometimes things can go wrong, or you may not be happy with the service you received. This film explains what to do if you, or a member of your family, want to complain about the care that you have received. How to complain. Who you contact to complain will depend on whether you are complaining about healthcare or social care, and whether that care is paid for by public funds, or you've paid for it yourself. It's usually a good idea to keep a record of what you said and who you said it to if you made a complaint. Also, keep records of dates relating to the things you are unhappy with. How to make a complaint about healthcare. Number 1. If you are unhappy with the care you have received from the NHS, you have the right to make a complaint. Number 2. Ask to see a copy of the complaints procedure for the NHS service you are unhappy about. This will tell you who to contact, how they will handle your complaint, and how they will learn from your complaint. Number 3. As a first step, you should contact the NHS service directly. For example, the hospital, GP practice, dentist, etc. You can do this in person, by telephone, email, or letter. This will give the NHS service a chance to sort out any problem you might have and put things right for you. Number 4. If you are not able to do this, or if you feel worried about contacting the NHS service directly, you can complain to other parts of the NHS instead. A. If your complaint is about a hospital or local NHS community service, contact your local NHS Clinical Commissioning Group, CCG. B. If your complaint is about GPs, dentists, pharmacists, or how your local NHS Clinical Commissioning Group buys services, contact your NHS England. Number 5. If you are still not sure who to complain to, contact any NHS organisation and they will make sure that your complaint goes to the right people who can help you. If you are not content with the response you get, if you're not content with the outcome of your complaint, or how it was dealt with, you have the right to ask the Health Service Ombudsman to investigate your complaint. This is a free, independent service. They will usually only investigate a complaint after the NHS has had a chance to try to sort it out. If they decide the NHS have got things wrong, they can make recommendations to put things right. You can contact the Ombudsman on telephone 0345 015 4033, via email at phso.inquiries@ombudsman.org.uk, or via text phone on 0300 061 4298. How to make a complaint about healthcare that you have paid for yourself. If you have had care that was not paid for by the NHS. Number 1. In the first instance, you should contact the person or organisation that provides the service and give them the chance to put things right for you. Number 2. If you are not happy with their response, you can contact the Independent Healthcare Advisory Service, IHAS. www.independenthealthcare.org.uk. How to make a complaint about care homes and social care services. Number 1. If you are unhappy with the care you have received from a care home, nursing home, home care agency, or other social care service, you have the right to make a complaint. If the service is provided in a social care setting, but is funded by the NHS, e.g. dental services, you will need to follow the NHS complaints process outlined earlier. Number 2. Ask to see a copy of the complaints procedure for the care service you are unhappy about. This will tell you who to contact, how they will handle your complaint, and how they will learn from your complaint. Number 3. Where possible, you should contact the care service directly. Care or nursing home, etc. You can do this in person, by telephone, email or letter. This will give the care service the chance to sort out any problem you may have and put things right for you. Number 4. If you are not able to do this, or if you feel worried about contacting the service directly, you can complain to your local council instead. Number 5. If you are not happy with the reply you receive from a care service, you can take your complaint to your local council. Number 6. The local council will explain what to do. You can find the address of your local council at www.direct.gov.uk, or you can ask your local Health Watch. If you are not content with the reply you get. If you are not happy with the final reply from the care service or your local council, you have the right to ask the local government ombudsman to investigate your complaint. This right applies whether you pay for your own care or your local council pays for it. You can contact the local government ombudsman on telephone 0300 061 0614, or write to Local Government Ombudsman, PO Box 4771, Coventry, CV4 OEH. or visit the website www.lgo.org.uk. If you need help to make a complaint. Some people need support to make a complaint. The Independent Advocacy Service, IAS, is a free, confidential service that advises and supports people who are complaining about the NHS. IAS is independent of the NHS and has offices throughout England. To find your nearest one, ask your local health watch.